Good morning, boys and girls. Read Aloud, Focus Book, Animals of the Rivers. Animals of the Rivers. Focus question. How do animals live in rivers? What is a river? Rivers are places where water flows on land. Many kinds of animals live in rivers. Some stay in the water all the time. Others stay in the water for only part of their lives. A beaver swims in a river. If you could see inside a fish, this is what its gills would look like. Gills, living in the water. All animals must breathe. Some river animals swim to the top of the water. Then they take a breath of air. Others breathe underwater. Fish have parts called gills. Gills help them get oxygen from the water. Living on the water. Ducks and other birds swim on top of the water. Ducks have webbed feet. Their feet help them swim. A duck's mouth is called a bill. Its flat-shaped bill helps the duck eat small plants and animals in the river. Bill. In rivers and oceans, salmon are fish that spend some of their life in oceans and some in rivers. Adult salmon swim up the river to lay their eggs where they were born. Wowzer. A salmon can find the place where it was born by smell. In and out of the river. Frogs spend only part of their lives in rivers. Adult frogs lay eggs in rivers. Their babies are called tadpoles. Tadpoles have gills. Tadpoles grow legs and turn into frogs. Frogs live on land and in the water. They have webbed feet for swimming. Wowzer. Frogs can breathe through their skin. Tadpoles lose their tails once they turn into frogs. A caddisfly is an insect that lives near rivers. Like frogs, caddisflies lay eggs in rivers. Young caddisflies build homes out of small rocks, shells, and leaves. These homes protect them from other animals in the river. Soon they change into adults. They grow wings and fly away. Young caddisflies build homes out of small rocks and shells. Adult caddisfly. Alligator. Alligators live in rivers and on land. They find food in the water and on land. Alligators dig holes near rivers. These are called gator holes. Sometimes rivers dry up. The gator holes stay filled with water and food. A beaver dam, changing the river. Beavers change the rivers they live in. They chew on trees to cut them down. The trees block the river. The pile of trees and branches is called a dam. Dams slow down the water. This makes a pool. Beavers live in their dams. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and tell someone in your family what is your favorite part of the book. My favorite part is, and then take a picture of that place and download it, upload it into Google Classroom. You can also use some of these questions, pick one of them, and use that as a sentence stem. For example, why do many river animals have webbed feet? Then you could say, many river animals have webbed feet because. Use that sentence stem. Many river animals have webbed feet because. And then take a picture of a river